Whose turn is it?
It is your turn on.
Achha. What is this list of? Mm-mm-mm. This is a list of offenses punishable
No.
by. Okay.
Arun?
ये वो है क्या? ये तो काफी अजीब सा लिस्ट है. एक सेकंड.
Oh shit.
Is this some कोई मेडिकल रिलेटेड वो लिस्ट है क्या? मतलब हॉस्पिटल या किसी, है ना? वही लग रहा है. और तो कुछ और तो नहीं दे सकते. यही लग रहा है लाइक इस ओपियम से क्या हुआ, सेपरेशन ऑफ.
Okay, if no one else gets it, then I'll give you
हाँ.
5 points. Paul?
Yeah, I mean, I was thinking on the same lines of whatever Arun said, which is these are the like ailments mentioned by some sort of an authority. नोवेल रीडिंग क्यों है यार इसमें? पास
ये उसमें वॉर भी है यार.
या
So is this related to some mental illness? कि मतलब
Yes. Yes.
back
Can you
then
be a bit more specific?
So back then there was mental study was like mental health तो भाई था नहीं, तो mental study was very nascent. So they maybe clubbed all these things under cause for putting
Symptoms.
putting people into psychiatry ward or something.
I'll give you the 10 points. So
Awesome.
this is basically a list of reasons for admission to a women's asylum, a women's insane asylum, mental.
For some
Now
reason
the-
she's also part of war, which she never started.
नोवेल रीडिंग.
Bad company. Bye.
Yeah.
Politics. That's the word. One of them says bad whiskey. Asthma.
Yeah. History has been very kind to
Why-
women, as you can see here.
Why is tobacco and masturbation written together?
Why is desertion by husband there?
There's a point called time of life. So if she's having the time of her life,
That's a sin. She can't be happy.
Shakti has stolen both my points. I knew both the answers. Now I don't know if I know any other.
Okay, this is for Govind.
Argentina, Peru, Belgium, Liberia, Algeria. Okay, so I'll say I have no idea. So I'm just gonna go with ACDBE.
ACDBE. Okay,
The common thing is like I was guessing they were all ruled by the same, colonized by the same country.
No.
Belgium won't become colonized.
But if they got independence,
BCADE.
Sorry.
BCADE. The common thing between these countries.
It's related to
Were they?
It's related to what?
The independence only.
Yeah, they got independence in the same year,
No.
but different months, obviously.
No. Vibhor?
Hmm.
But you were
I
close.
I would go with CADBE, and what's common to these would be They all have a football team.
No, it's related to independence only. Ayush?
BDECA. Yes. When it comes to what is common, they all found their independence in the same decade.
No.
Something like that.
Even if someone gets the correct answer, I'll complete the round still. So that if someone else wants to guess the same order, I'll give them the points also. AP?
EDCBA. And what's common is they all overthrew the regime.
No.
But
Arun?
yeah, it's wrong.
I'll say AC ACBDE. कॉमन पॉइंट होगा कि कौन पॉइंट नहीं पता, हेल्प अस।
ऐसे गेस ले ले।
Whose turn is it now?
Paul, are you there?
Paul.
Yeah.
Has he muted himself again?
A, B, C, D, E. And what's common? What's common is
Very smart.
Independence Day is on the same day,
Oh, good
Like
one,
the-
yeah.
like the date.
Is it the right answer?
Shakti? I'll complete the
Acha,
round
acha.
and I'll.
Liberia has to be the first one. पता नहीं यार, because it got independent much earlier. So D, C, B, A, E, and the common is they all declared independence from France. It doesn't make sense. Pass.
This started with Govind, right?
Yeah.
Huh. So Paul gets 10 points for guessing the order.
Oh God, I
Oh,
did नीचे से ऊपर. I was like, let me do
Yes.
नीचे से ऊपर. Oh God, Paul.
सेम मंथ
The
है,
common
अरे
thing
भाई।
was the